This family needs Instaglass. Instaglass will restore the appearance and safety in their home in about an hour. We can manufacture double pane replacements for broken or foggy glass right at their door. Let Instaglass take care of your glass needs too. Our estimates are reliable and most are given by phone. Another time saver. Our uniformed glass technicians arrive at your home in a fully mobile, self-contained factory on wheels, ready to go to work. We treat you and your property with respect, leaving your home or office clean and in good repair. Instaglass will take care of your window and door glass with prompt professional service and superior materials. Don't wait weeks for a replacement. Instaglass offers fast service, great quality, fair prices, and a peace of mind to busy people and active families. For service in the Ann Arbor area, call 734-661-7793 or visit instaglass.com. That's INSTI glass.com.